Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So, in this video, we will learn about how you will draw any 3D shapes. Okay, so do you know about 3D? So, see, in normal shape, if you want to draw anything, we have a 2D, right, which is a two-dimensional. So, now we will see how you will draw anything with the help of your 3D. 3D means a three-dimensional. As you can see in the screen, this image looks like your 3D, right? So if you want to draw any 3D image, we can use TinkerCAD website. This is the free website, so anyone can access this website. So let me just search for TinkerCAD. You have to just search for TinkerCAD, okay? You will get your link tinkercad.com. I will give you this link in the description box. Okay. So first thing you have to log in here. So it's a very simple. It will just ask you like a login with your Gmail ID. So nowadays everyone have their Gmail ID. So you can log in with your Gmail ID. You will get this screen. Okay. After that, how you will draw any image, you need to just click on this 3D design. After that, you have to click on create new design. Okay. So what will happen? It will give you one space where we can create our design. Okay. So first I will explain you the website, what is working here. So as you can see, this is our home button. After that, if you want, fill all the views. If you want to just zoom in, zoom out, everything you will get here. Here you will get your views. You want to see the top view, or you want to see the right view, or the left view, or the front view. Every view you will get here. Okay, so this is the bottom view. So this is our views. Okay, suppose this is our top view. Whatever view you want, you can add that. Okay. Suppose this is a top view. After that, what is this? This is your copy if you want to copy anything. After that, if you want to paste anything, if you want to duplicate anything, if you want to delete anything, you will get that from here. After that, we will see the next part. What is that? If you want toggle nodes, or if you want to show everything, or if you want to group, suppose you have two objects, you want to group that, so you will get all that things here. So we have the shapes here. See, this is our basic shape. With the help of this shape, we can create any diagram, or else if you will click here, you will get your basic shape, design starter, creator and character, vehicle, machine, structure and sensory, hardware, electronics. You will get all the things. Suppose in the hardware, you will get all the things which is related to your hardware. If you want to design anything in that design, if you want any hardware things, you can take from here. Okay. Or else, suppose we will start from our basic shape. So basic shape means what? Suppose if you want to draw anything, okay, so we can draw like, what you have to do, you need to just drag and drop it here. Suppose I want to drag and drop this. So if you will select this, here you will get radius. If you want hole, you will select this. If you want solid, you can select this. Here we have a color. So whatever is your favorite color, you can select that color. Okay. If you want to increase the radius, even you can do that. If you want to increase the wall thickness, okay, so you can increase that one also. If you want sides, we will see, then we will segments, everything we can do. Or else if you will select here, select this diagram, we can draw this here. Or else if you want a part, you need to just select this, You can zoom in, zoom out. Even we can rotate this. Okay. So if you will select here, you will get your rotation. We can rotate that. Okay. So this is our top view. If you want to change the view, see, okay. So we can change the view also. See. So according to our choice, according to that, we can draw anything. Okay. Suppose this is my one shape. Okay. After that, suppose you want to add one more here, like this one. What you have to do, you need to just drag and drop. Suppose I want to change the color. I want green color. So what we can do, we can increase the size. Okay. Whatever, suppose I want to put this here, like this. We can do that. So like this, whatever you want, you can draw that diagram. Okay. Then after that, suppose I want to add this. See, we can rotate this. Okay. So you can attach this image here also. You need to just select that. Okay. So like that, we can create any 3D image here. Okay. So in this way, you can create any image, you can create a mug, you can create any baby doll or whatever you want, you can create. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Thank you so much.